fork. Now everybody knows what a fork is. Problem is they'll say something like, which of these goes together, or most opposite, or maybe similar in meaning. There'll be that sort of thing, and people automatically assume a fork as in knife and fork, which we have here. But if you were to say you were to fork out for, means you've got to cough up for. Sorry, that's another idiom. It's to pay for something. I had to fork out an absolute fortune for fly traps. It cost a lot of money. And to fork out for also implies a little bit of resentment that you didn't really enjoy spending that much money, but you had to. I had to fork out for the school uniform. Nobody wants to pay for the school uniform. Well, unless it's a school you're desperate to get your kids in. But even then, once you got them in, you don't like forking out for the uniform. But there's also a fork in the road. That's a divide in the road. So you're going along the road and it could go that way or that way. And there isn't an obvious main one. It just divides into two equal parts. And again, that can crop up in the comprehension, or also it has used in the passage, or closest in meaning, or which of these is not a meaning for fork. So it's just keep it in your lexicon. Bye.